I was on YouTube. Watch TY38. Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop of the day, man. We out here in Brentwood, Tennessee right now. We about to work on this Jeep Wrangler. If you can see it, man, it's a little dirty on the exterior. Won't take long to clean the exterior. It's one thing about these Jeeps, they clean up pretty easily. You know what I mean? Sometimes it just take a little bit of time to get the wheels clean, and then the majority of the time it's just the dirt and debris that be on this rail, things like that. You know what I mean? But if you look at it, exterior of the car is dirty, so you know we're gonna have to get out here and make sure we wash it properly. And then the interior of the car is about the same typical debris. Little human hair, dog hair, the typical sticks, debris. I'm gonna get in here and wipe down these seats, things like that. Wipe down the cup holders, get in here, clean it, clean the monitors, get in the back seat. Get back here and clean. You see it's a little bit more dog hair back here. So we're gonna make sure we get in here, clean all this dog hair out, all on these seats, things like that. And then also here in the back, it's a lot of dog hair too. So we're gonna make sure we get back here, clean all this up, stuff like that. But other than that, man, we gotta go ahead and get this job started, man. You already see how bad it is, man. But like always, man, stay dedicated to the process, man. And on that note, like always, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. If you're not new to the channel, you ain't gotta hit subscribe. Give it a little time, see if this is something you like. And if it's something you like, go ahead and hit it. Leave a comment, share, see the sun. But yeah, other than that, we're about to go ahead and get it in. I already got the vacuum, all-purpose and stuff ready. So go ahead and start this job because I got a pretty busy day. Plus, I need to go shoot the podcast. So I got to make sure I'm on time today. So on that note, like always, man, I'm going to catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this first car, man. It actually took us 2.5 to 3 hours to finish this whole car. It was dirty, exterior, interior, but we got the car completely done. If you remember what the wheels look like, the wheels was completely dirty. We haven't shined the tires or anything like that. But if you remember, the car literally had dog hair literally everywhere in here, like literally everywhere. So we got it all out. We got the car looking great. We about to head to our next stop. We already had one cancellation. She said her husband took her car, but we about to go ahead and park it, put it back where it was, and get to this next stop, man. But on that note, man, I hope y'all having a great day, man. And like always, stay dedicated, man. Find your passion, you know what I mean? You know, just find it or it'll find you. And on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this second appointment right here. It's one of my good customers. She's a much older lady. She says she knows it's gonna rain, but she's more concerned about the interior of the car. But we gonna still get out here and knock out the exterior of the car. If you look at this back wheel, it's so crazy that their back wheel got more brake dust than their front wheel. Unless she did rotate tires, it's usually the front wheel that got the most brake dust. But unless it's rear-wheel drive, that still don't matter. But we're gonna finna get in here and wipe the doors down, clean these seats, vacuum the floor real good. If you look, it got your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs, your pebbles, you know, stuff like that, leaves, little hair. I don't think she have a dog. But we're gonna go over here and make sure we wipe down the panels, the cup holders, make sure we light shampoo the mats, stuff like that. But today so far been good. I had 2 cancellations because one lady said her husband took the car, and the other lady said they had to leave because an emergency came up. So we just got one more stop after this, which I believe we have 2 cars to do that, and then after that we're going to do the podcast. But like I said, it's a Toyota RAV4. Lady, I asked if she wanted me to buff the exterior a few years ago to get those scratches off. She said she really don't care about the scratches and stuff like that. But I already got all the utensils out, got the buckets, the all-purpose vacuum out. Just got to pull the generator out and things like that. But I'm going to go ahead and get started, man, so I continue. Have a great day, you too. And I'm going to catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this Toyota RAV4, man. Got the car completely clean. You remember what them wheels look like? They was pretty dirty, but we got them looking good. It's gonna rain the next few days, so I'm not gonna put any tire shine on the tires, but you remember how black and brown wheel was. And you remember all the debris that was inside the car. We got all the debris out. But other than that, man, we about to head to this next stop. She want me to still come do, even though it may rain the next few days, but it's all good with me. Like I said, I'm always dedicated out here, man. I'm happy that I'm even blessed to be able to get to work, man. So on that note, man, like always, be dedicated. I know I sound dry today, y'all. I'm just tired. I haven't got no rest in the last 3 days. I've been up Friday, Saturday, today's Sunday. I know when y'all see this video, it may be like Wednesday or Thursday, but on that note, man, I'm finna get out of here, head to this next stop. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Yeah, right now we in the interior of this Chevy Tahoe, getting all this dog hair up. And sometimes this dog hair can be a little tedious, man. You know, just dealing with dog hair all the time, because it literally be everywhere. If you look, it literally bees everywhere. So, you know, you just gotta be more cautious and just paying attention to what you're doing. But right now, we doing this Yukon Denali, we're working on the interior now, and then we're gonna work on the exterior. She wanted both her cars done, but I'm probably have to let her know I'll probably come back Tuesday to do the other one. Cause I gotta get the stuff ready for the podcast today. I gotta make sure everything charged up and make sure I'm on time, cause we're going to a new location. But like always, man, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this interior of the car, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this last car today, man. We had one more, but I got to reschedule. I got some things to take care of. If y'all hear my voice, it sound, but anyway, we got this GMC Yukon Denali completely done. Took me a little while to do it because it had a lot of dog hair in here, but we got the car looking good. Cup holders, things like that, wiped out real good. Seats wiped down real good. But I know it's pretty quick, because I'm trying to hurry up and get home. Like I said, I got to charge up some stuff and do some things. But I'm going to catch y'all later, man. Like always, one love. Love thyself. Look in the mirror, say I love you. And on that note, always, peace.
Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.